Hi everyone! Today I want to show you how to make chai. Delicious! What you need, you get a grinder if you have, or a blender, whatever, and grind all the spices together. I have here 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorn, half teaspoon of cardamom, half teaspoon cloves, half a teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon anise, and the last one is half a teaspoon of cinnamon. What you do now, you put all the spices together and just blend all of them at once. I think my grinder is not, I don't have enough in it, so I jumped to a different one. I blend all the spices together. See? Put it in on a plate or in a bowl. Put 1 cup of water. Cover it and let it boil. When it starts boiling, put 1 tablespoon of black tea. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. If you want to add sugar, that's up to your taste, or if you want to put only 1 tablespoon, that's fine too. It depends on how you take your tea. Now you add 1 teaspoon of spice mix and let it boil for like a minute. Now add 2.5 cups of milk. Now let it boil. Just cover it, but be careful. Watch the milk. So just when it starts boiling, the milk gets all the way to the top. Be careful. Now get the strainer and just strain all that. You're gonna see all the spices get in the bottom. Put it in a teapot or in anything you have and serve. It is delicious. Try it and let me know. You can serve it with cookies. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Thank you.